Okay, so today we'll be answering another problem about present value. So for this problem, we are looking for the bond's current market price. So let's read the problem. Madsen Motors bonds have 14 years remaining to maturity. Interest is paid annually. They have a 1,000 par value. The coupon interest rate is 9% and the yield to maturity is 7%. What is the bond's current market price? Round your answer to the nearest cent. So in answering this, we'll be needing some data to compute the present value. So first is the rate. So the rate that we'll be using is the market interest rate. So I'll type in here, market interest rate. So the market interest rate will be the yield to maturity, which is 7%. And then we'll also need the number of periods, so we'll type it as NPER. So the number of periods is 14 years. So type in 14 years. The next is our payment, so PMT. So our payment is the coupon rate multiplied by the par value. So it should be the coupon rate multiplied by our par value. So equal sign. So the coupon rate is 9%. And then the par value, you multiply it by 1,000. Enter. So that would be 90. And then we'll also need our future value. So we'll type it FV, which would be 1,000. Right, once you have all this data, you can now compute for the present value. So we'll just be using the Excel formula for present value, which is equal sign and then PV. Then it will need the rate, which is 7%, so link it here. The NPER, number of periods, which is 40 years. The payment, which is 90. And then the future value, which is 1,000, so link it here. And then for the type, since we have a payment here, since there's no indication whether it is paid in the beginning or in the end, we'll be using 0, which is by default the interest will be paid at the end of the period. So just hit enter. Alright, so just change this one to US dollars. There it is. Our present value, which is the bond's current market price, is 1,174.91. Then we'll just have to present this one in a positive number, so we add negative sign before the PV formula, so we just enter. So our answer is 1174.91. Then we round it off to 1 decimal point to the nearest cent. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you have any questions, leave it to the comment section and we'll get back with you. Don't forget to subscribe.